In this video, I will show you how to find legacy models in ChatGPT 5. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now on ChatGPT 5, what you can do is if you come up to the top left hand corner, you can actually click onto the model number up here. You're going to see there should be a option here for legacy models. But as you can see, there's not many available. We've only got GPT-5 Instant, Thinking and Full. Now to add more models to this, what you can do is come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto your name down here, and on this menu click onto settings. Once your settings window is opened, if you come over to the menu on the left hand side, you want to make sure you're clicked onto general, and if you look towards the bottom, you're going to see an option which says show additional models. Now all you want to do is go ahead, turn the switch on to the right hand side of this, and then what you can do is close down your settings, and you're now going to see if you come back up and click up here in the top left hand corner, what we're going to do is come down to legacy models, and you can see we've got now access to legacy models of ChatGPT. So that is how to find legacy models in ChatGPT 5. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.